In this video, I'll be showing you how to disable data roaming on Android phone. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, managing your data roaming is essential for avoiding unexpected international charges or ensuring you stay connected while traveling. And on Samsung Galaxy devices running Android 16, these settings are located within the connections menu. So what you want to do is open up your settings application. Then once you're here, go ahead and tap on connections. Once you're in connections, go ahead and select mobile networks. And then once you go ahead and select that, what you want to go ahead and do is find the data roaming toggle. Switch it on if you're traveling and you want to use data abroad, and switch it off to prevent your phone from using cellular data when you're just outside your home provider's coverage areas. So yeah, once you go ahead and do that, you'll be good to go. You can go to SIM Manager, look at even more things, and this is where you'll find mobile data settings. But it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.